Hello there, welcome back to our English test preparation channel. In this short video, we're going to guide you on how to take our 2-hour PTE mock test free of charge with estimated score after submitting your answers. So let's visit our PTE practice website and click this link log in to log in into your account and start taking the mock test for free. If you haven't got an account yet, click this one, sign up to create your account for free and then get started. We click here and then choose full test and then get started. Because this is a premium account, so we have access to all the full tests on over 3,500 questions at the moment. Every single week, our academic team add more questions to the library, including the full test. So you have access to everything as long as you still have the premium account. Because your account is free, so you can only access the first one. Therefore, please click this one and get started. Please make sure that you have 2 hours free to take the test in a quiet space. This is our testing page. You need to type something here just for testing, and then you need to use the delete button to test if it is working properly. And if everything works normal, please click next to test your microphone and speaker. Hello, I'm testing right now to see if it is recording my voice okay or not. You can click here to listen again to your voice. Hello, I'm testing right now to see if it is recording my voice okay or not. Everything's alright, right? So let's click the yes button again. Click this. This is feedback that you will receive immediately after completing your 2-hour mock test. So make sure that you keep it continuously until the last question. If you quit your test in the middle of the test, there is no saved progress. You will lose everything you started in the beginning. So make sure that you have 2 hours completely free. We wish you the best of luck. If you have any questions, feel free to ask us in our communities or send us right to our email address for support.